model, 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI fridge box van automatic 12 months MOT VAT inclusive. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 138837. MOT, the 12th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 Mi 2143 HP. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Automatic gearbox is perfect, smooth, powerful, reliable van fully working in fridge. Unit ready to go to work. VAT is included in the final price. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very